That Devante I had last year. You've probably seen I posted. I'll leave a link up here for it. Battery bit the dust on it, and it only lasted 18 months. So I was thinking, I can't get a replacement for it. So I had to get myself a new vacuum. So I sort of changed it up a bit and get myself something a bit more of a reliable brand. So I got the Hoover ONEPWR stick vacuum. Part of a family basically, for all their vacuums and everything. So yeah, open it up and see what we've got. Try to take a photo of the front. Gee whiz. Charger. Bottom end. Oh boy, that's a bit of a heavy battery. And nozzle. Okay. So locking mechanism. A little bigger than the last one. Pick some stuff up. Yeah, it's certainly a lot bigger and a lot heavier. It's sort of like the battery on it. It's sort of like definitely a lot more heavier. I mean, Devante I used to have and everything, and yeah. But as much as my floor really needs a good vacuum and everything else like that, I probably need to give this thing a good charge for an hour or two just to make sure it's got something in it before I give it a good run across the floor. So if I can get this out, there we go, and give it a charge. Oh. I think it's a tad full. Actually, probably a tad over full. But this way, it does a better job than what the last one did. So I can't complain about that. ways I wish I bought this instead of the last vacuum cleaner. So anyway, good investment. Now to empty this thing out. Consider subscribing down below, and until next time, have a good one.